Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to add a contact form on your WordPress website using Elementor Pro. To begin with this, you have to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Pages and open the page in which you want to add a form. Edit with Elementor. So in this page we have to add a form. To add it, search form here. Now, drag and drop the form. Here are the fields of form. Go to name and give a label of your choice. I am giving first name. From here you can select the width of the field. I am choosing 50%. And yes, it's required. Now duplicate this and give the label as last name. Under this style section, you can style the form like gap between rows and columns, etc. These are all the styling settings you can play with. Now we have to select the action after submission. It is okay to go with the default setting of this. Now, in email section, enter the recipient mail ID here for all the responses. And in message field, we are going to create a custom message. Just do the same as I am doing. For field values, go to the field and click on Advance and give an ID to the field. And copy the shortcode from here. And paste it in the message. Do the same for all the fields. Now, go to the page and refresh it. And enter the input for a testing. And click on Send. You can see here the form sent successfully. Now, go to your email and check. This is how you will get a response via email. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe.